Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off text chat on Roblox. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then on your Chrome browser, make sure you're at roblox.com and you have signed into your account. And after that, what you have to do is just come here at the top right corner and click here on the settings or the gear icon. From here, just click on settings again. From here, make sure to go to the privacy and content restriction. From here, you need to go inside communication and go to experience chat. From here, click on experience chat to no one and direct chat to no one as well. Then just go one step back and go to party. And from party, make sure it is set to no one. And the group party is also set to no one. Then just go back to your main roblox.com. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to turn off text chat in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.